Hanukkah celebrates the miracle of light. Centuries ago, the Jewish temple was destroyed, leaving only enough oil to light the sacred candelabra, called a menorah in Hebrew, for one night. But miraculously, it stayed lit for 8 days. To celebrate this miracle, Jewish people eat foods fried in oil and light the menorah on this festive winter holiday. In the spirit of the season, I decided to visit a local place that's growing a new twist on a classic Hanukkah treat. Here at the Pearlstone campus in Baltimore County, the Jewish value of protecting the environment and tending the land is honored by environmental activism. On these 180 acres of rolling hills, meadows, and farmland, the team here grows certified organic vegetables, fruits, and herbs used in traditional Jewish foods. Hanukkah is a favorite holiday here at Pearlstone, and of all the fried foods, absolutely nothing represents it better than a crispy, piping hot latke. Usually the star of the Hanukkah latke is potatoes, but this year the team at Pearlstone adds a contemporary spin to the nostalgic latke with a relatively unknown root vegetable, the Jerusalem artichoke, also known as a sunchoke. Greg Strella, the expert on everything growing here at Pearlstone, knows a thing or two about this tasty tuber.
We're standing here with our sunchokes, which are a native sunflower. They grow each spring, put out these beautiful yellow flowers in the fall, and then they grow a nice, beautiful tuber underground that we dig and eat in the fall. In terms of productions, sunchokes are similar to potatoes. You know, one portion of this tuber will produce another dozen tubers underground, and they can get to be quite a good size.
Sunchokes are known as a gardener's dream because they're extremely easy to grow.
Because they're native to this landscape, they're just so well adapted to it. So if there's a dry season, they're drought resistant. Many insects and pollinators love to come and forage on their flowers. They have no pest issues. We have not done anything to help these sunchokes grow this season, and you can see how well they've thrived.
Sunchokes grow between 6 to 12 feet tall, and in late summer, they put out a beautiful bouquet of bright yellow flowers. After a few weeks, when these sunny blooms begin to die and the stalks turn brown, it's harvest time.
We start to loosen the soil around the sunchokes using a digging fork. And this is where it feels a lot like potatoes.
It looks just like what we did with potatoes. And you're pulling it up, look at that.
As you start pulling these out, you'll start to find the tubers all along the bottom here.
Mm-hmm. And there's probably some still in the soil.
Oh, there's so many. And this begins the treasure hunt part of the... You can see...
Look at that.
They're really fun to dig and eat.
This versatile vegetable has a nutty, earthy flavor and is perfect for roasting, baking, grilling, or just eating raw. In celebration of Hanukkah, Pearlstone's executive chef, Rebecca Povere, is in the kitchen whipping up a batch of sunchoke latkes using a Pearlstone signature recipe.
The essential ingredients in this latke is sunchokes, potatoes, and carrots with a little bit of lemon thyme and egg. And then we're putting in flour, a little salt and pepper, and that is our latke.
But of course, the key ingredient for this Hanukkah meal is the oil, and the wonder of how it burned for a miraculous 8 nights. That is so good. Chef Rebecca was kind enough to put together a plate of these sunchoke latkes for me so I could try them, and I gotta tell you, they really are delicious. And the nice thing is you can enjoy them anytime you want to. To help you do that, we're gonna put the recipe on our website at mpt.org/farm so you can try it at home. For the Local Buy, I'm Al Spoler. Joanne?
Thanks, Al. To get the recipe featured in this video, click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss future stories. Thanks for watching Maryland Farm and Harvest.